The Caterham 170R is a lightweight, high-performance sports car built for an exciting driving experience. Weighing just 440 kilograms, it's one of the lightest cars in the world, making it incredibly agile on both tracks and roads. Powered by a 606cc turbocharged engine, the 170R offers a great balance of speed and handling. Its simple, minimalist design focuses on the driving experience, with a basic interior and manual transmission for a pure connection between driver and car. The car also features a sport-tuned suspension for improved cornering and overall performance. Priced at around £25,000, the Caterham 170R is a thrilling, no-frills sports car that guarantees excitement with every drive. The Climb E is an innovative concept electric vehicle that reimagines urban mobility. Designed by IT Design, this futuristic car elevates personal transport with its unique design and functionality. The Climb E offers a compact door-to-door transport system that accommodates 2 passengers, making it perfect for city dwellers who need a flexible and efficient way to navigate tight spaces. Powered by an electric motor, the Climb E provides a range of approximately 120 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for short commutes. With a top speed of 40 miles per hour, it's tailored for city driving, delivering a smooth, quiet ride while reducing carbon emissions. Though still a concept, the Climb E is projected to be an affordable solution for future city transport, with an estimated price of around $225,000. This vehicle offers an exciting glimpse into the future of green urban mobility. The CarMover XL is an electric lift designed to move vehicles weighing up to 2.2 tons. It is highly useful in service stations, parking lots, museums, and anywhere cars need to be moved regularly. The lift can raise vehicles completely off the ground, reaching a height of about 10 centimeters. This is especially helpful if the car's handbrake is on or if the wheels are locked due to a malfunction. The CarMover XL is versatile enough to handle large vehicles, including the Audi Q7, which is over 5 meters long. This makes it an ideal solution for handling various vehicle sizes. The lift offers an efficient and safe way to move cars, helping to save time and avoid accidents. Pricing for the CarMover XL is available upon request, depending on the specific requirements of the customer. It is designed to make vehicle movement easy and hassle-free in environments where cars need to be relocated frequently. Whether it's a busy parking lot or a service station, the CarMover XL provides a reliable and effective solution. The Black Ops 4x4 CJ7 is a rugged off-road vehicle built to tackle challenging terrains while delivering an exciting driving experience. Built on the classic Jeep CJ7 platform, it features a powerful V8 engine, heavy-duty suspension, and large tires, making it ideal for serious off-road enthusiasts. Starting at $50,000, the Black Ops CJ7 offers full customization, allowing buyers to upgrade with winches, lighting systems, and comfort features. Recent improvements have increased its durability with a reinforced chassis and better off-road performance to handle even the toughest conditions. Its 4x4 system ensures outstanding traction, and the vehicle combines strength with style. Whether you're navigating mountain trails or muddy paths, the Black Ops CJ7 promises a thrilling ride that can conquer any challenge.